Finally, the new Redmi noise-canceling headphones are here. This time, they finally listened to my advice and released the Redmi 848 Pro. This year, it not only upgrades the sound quality and noise cancellation, but also its features. In this video, I'll give you a detailed demonstration of its sound quality, noise cancellation, call performance, gaming experience, and more. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging of the Redmi 88 Pro clearly shows the presence of Dolby Audio, with the iconic Infinity logo in the lower left corner and a Dolby Audio logo in the lower right corner. This time, its Dolby Space Audio is optimized, and a Dolby Audio logo will appear in a pop-up window when you open the headphones. We'll test the sound quality later. As for the appearance, it continues the design language of its predecessor. The color I have is called Magnolia. It's not a deep blue, just a light color, which I personally really like. The matte finish on the outer shell is made of Excimer paint, giving it a smooth feel. As Redmi's flagship headphone product, the build quality is definitely top-notch. The opening and closing mechanism, including the magnetic closure, is very secure. The lid is sturdy and doesn't come loose after opening. This is basically the build quality standard expected of flagship headphones. In terms of appearance alone, what score would you give it? The earphones come with 3 different sizes of ear tips, which can be opened inside the case to check the fit and choose the one that best suits your ear canal size. I think the wearing experience is quite good. Now, let's focus on sound quality. Redmi finally listened to advice, and the sound quality is not muffled. The bass is full. That's my assessment. First, it uses a 3-engine acoustic coil coaxial 3-unit design, 1 dynamic driver and 2 piezoelectric ceramic units, which greatly restores musical details. Regarding decoding protocols, it supports basic ones like SVCA and ACLC3. The Redmi 848 Pro also supports LHDC and Xiaomi's self-developed MIHC protocol, which can adapt to different devices. After selecting the LHDC protocol, it supports a maximum master-level audio sampling rate of 192 kHz, restoring the original texture of the music. So you can enjoy an immersive experience anytime without relying on devices or apps. In terms of noise cancellation, it has been upgraded to Deep Space Noise Cancellation 3.0. The noise cancellation of the Redmi Pro series has always received good feedback, and this time its average noise cancellation depth has been upgraded from 23.6 dB to 28 dB. Note the word average, which is a crucial indicator. Its highest level is 55 dB, with 5 kHz ultra-wideband noise cancellation. In noise cancellation mode, you can adjust the noise cancellation depth in 20 levels. Of course, if you're too lazy to adjust it, you can turn on intelligent noise cancellation, which will automatically adjust the noise cancellation depth according to the environment. Transparency mode also has standard ambient enhancement and voice enhancement options, which can recognize different scenes and demonstrate noise cancellation. Dual video connection, karaoke, and earphone monitoring features. This time it also supports location tracking. You can see all devices in the system's Find My Device app, including the location of the last connected device for each earphone. In case of loss, it can be located by following the last connection location of the earphones to the phone, providing an extra layer of security. As for its call experience and low latency in gaming, let's take a look. Sound pickup performance during calls. In conclusion, based on my experience using the Redmi 848 Pro, I think 3 words can describe it: excellent sound quality, good noise cancellation, and a great user experience. The appearance and build quality are also excellent, befitting a product in this price range. The Redmi 848 Pro has also been upgraded in terms of product capabilities, so its price-performance ratio is definitely top-notch. What do you all think? Feel free to leave your comments.